Hey everyone, update number 3 and final basically. So here's the old axle. As we saw, had a lot of play there. There's actually quite a bit of daylight. Can't really see it right now, but I'll probably saws all that out. You can see that gap there. The other side is similar, but the bolt right here is not coming out. Anyway, on the replacement axle, this little guy wouldn't stay in place. It's like a seal, oil seal type thing. So to combat that, I was like, maybe I can crimp it, but then I'm like, it's gonna distort it. So I ended up using a black rubber gasket maker, RTB type stuff that also acted as a glue. Smeared a bunch around there, put it on there, and it's being held quite wonderfully. So that is where we're at. I have to lower the car now. Next thing I have to do is retighten both sides of the lug nuts because I adjusted the brake drums because this has the funky system. Let me just show you. So when I got the car, every time you pull the e-brake, this arm is supposed to move this slightly, turn the cog, spread out the brake drums. It didn't. When you release the e-brake, or parking brake, it would actually turn it the other way, the way it got caught, and it would actually loosen my rear brakes. So that was no fun. So I hacked this off right here. Said enough of that silliness. And I was like, yeah, but I really prefer the old Spitfire and earlier GT6 that had an adjuster down here that I could use a brake wrench on without having to take the car off, or the wheels off, I should say. Well, that wasn't in the cards. I didn't want to drill a hole back here like old Corvettes had where you could do it because it still was a pain. So I would just pull the wheel, pull the brake drum slightly, and take a screwdriver and manually adjust that. Yeah, lots of fun. But I bought this set of extra axles specifically for this right here, so I could actually get it to work the way it was intended. And as luck would have it, the brake drums have a lot of material, though I have to clean them up. And then the other thing is, I hadn't bought this extra set of axles just for this, I wouldn't have been able to fix my car. So things always do work out, even though I had a couple of moments of near existential crises when things weren't coming loose or whatever. But I rallied, came back, and down a little bit, I'll go on a test drive and I'll post a little video or comments and let you know how it goes. Bye.